Polymarket says not available in your region, or you only see view-only mode with no deposit button. I know exactly how annoying that feels. You open the site ready to trade, but everything is locked. Here's the quick fix that works for me every time. Go to the link in bio and sign up for NordVPN. With my link, you get 3 months completely free. No credit card needed to start. Just create your account, download the app on your computer or phone, and you're ready. Open the app, search for Japan, and hit connect. Boom. Polymarket now thinks you're in Japan. The deposit button appears and you can trade normally again. Once connected, use my Polymarket link in the bio. If you don't have an account yet, create one now, deposit some money, and you're good to go. If it doesn't load right away, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R for a hard refresh. If you tried other VPNs before and they didn't work, just try the Japan server with NordVPN. That one unlocked everything perfectly for me. Now that you can actually trade, you don't have to sit and guess all day. I'm building Poly Alpha, an automated trading bot that scans top-winning wallets, uses simple smart rules, and handles risk automatically. Poly Alpha is still early, so first access goes only to my Discord community members. That's it. Now you can finally use Polymarket properly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Good luck trading!